Where is she answering? And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO.
IT teacher.
All right. So while it might seem daunting to set up a coding platform to make PowerPoints in ChatGPT, it's not as hard as you'd think. The first thing you're going to need is an IDE or an integrated development environment. For me, I'm using Python, so I'm going to use the PyCharm Community Edition. This will allow you to add your Python code in and easily add in your ChatGPT codes. The next thing I'm going to need is also a Python release. Now, the latest release is 3.11, and it's a bit too new for the Python PowerPoint extension. So we're just going to get 3.9. So to do that, you just go to Downloads and navigate down to 3.9 and this file here. When you download that, try to save that into your PyCharm projects folder. So you can see that I've saved mine right here. Once you've downloaded PyCharm, the first thing you're going to want to do is to go File, New Project, and in this here, it'll tell you what version you're going to use. Here's the newest one. I'm going to use 3.9 just because it allows you to have an environment that works with PowerPoint. So I'm going to click Create. I'm going to go to a new window. All right, cool. That's almost it. The last thing you want to do when you're setting up your PyCharm is to get a package called pptx. So just down here, Python-PowerPoint X or pptx, and you just install that, and you're ready to go start adding code in. All right, we're going to be talking about how to train or even just how to get ChatGPT to spit out something. So I've trained this model. I will share it so that you guys can use it as well. You can share models now. So essentially all I did was say, can you write a PowerPoint, or the prompt I used was, can you write a PowerPoint or Python script, script that makes a 7-slide PowerPoint on, let's say, like KFC. All right. So here it goes, spitting out different stuff. Now you can include as much or as little as you want, but just some important things to make sure that you do is have an output file. So I've got this one down here that I'm going to chuck in. All it's going to say is, can you output the file for me, so that I can see it later on. So I'll go back to here. Can you add this line? Hopefully we get some errors so we can look at some error checking and see what's wrong. You need to make sure that you add your own file path. All right, so let's see what happens. We'll go copy code. I'll leave this one here as an example. So just to go back, we go File, New, File, New Project. Make sure that it's on 3.9. We're going to have a new window for it. We'll make sure that we get our package back. So going back here, Python, we'll just go pptx. This one here again. All right, that's installed. We'll just go and paste all of ours in there. As you can see, the file path is there. So, good. We've got a permission denied. So let's see what maybe it's just that. Let's try adding something in there because we've already got that created and it's already open. All right, cool. You can see that what's happened is I've created one. Here's that Pres one. To prove that this works again, I'll change this to Pres 2. Let's bring my document. You can see it there. When I click run, you can see Pres 2 appears there as an output in my documents. We can see what it looks like. So as you can see, we specified that we want it to be 7 lines with no information. I put absolutely none in. Here's one that I did earlier as well, just on the League of Legends. So you can see I put a little bit more information in there, specifying the contents. Up to you how you do it. You can add as much and as a little. The more things you add in, like design elements to your PowerPoint, the more things that you'll need to add into your Python packages. So there may be one to support it, there may not be. That's up to research a little bit more. Um, Thanks for watching.